Look at how beautiful. Do you see the sky, Juliet?
No.
Look, do you see it? Look up.
No, there was Jason.
Look up at the sky. Wow. Isn't it beautiful?
Sorry.
You don't want to see how pretty the sky is? I think it's beautiful.
I didn't have pain.
What happened to your face?
I wanted pain.
Did you get lasagna on your face?
No, I wanted pain.
Look at the sky. It's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Bye. Bye. Bye, Juliet. Bye. Bye, Izzy. Bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie. Bye, Izzy. Bella. Anybody want to talk to me? Let's go see what the kids are up to. Kyle, what you guys doing? You're gonna bury a box? Okay. Does anybody want to come say hi? Anyone want to come say hi? It's Caleb on the bicycle.
Oh, that's so famous.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing?
Digging a hole.
How old are you?
10.
Whoa. Wow. There's Ashley. There's Kyle. Wow.
Hi.
What a
We're
good
burying a box.
looking man.
So 2018, we're going to bury it.
2018, that's in 3 years. Like,
3 years and 3 months. And a half.
wow, Kyle. Hi, Juliet. Hi, Ashley. Okay, I'm coming. All right. What?
No, I'll just go Papa.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Woo! See if there's any chickens over here. Well, there's Bella. Hi, Bella. There's a chicken on her patio. Hi, chickens.